Hello and welcome to Turn of Speed. I am Rachna Tyagi. Today we are here at the Budh International Circuit to drive this, the Skoda Octavia RS. Now you remember that Skoda was introduced in India in the year 2001. But it was only in 2004 that they brought in the RS badge, RS Rally Sport. And today we are going to be driving this brand new Skoda Octavia RS, which has been reintroduced to mark their 25 years in India. So stay tuned for more.
Let's take a closer look at the Skoda Octavia RS. Here it is in Mamba Green. Now the first thing that you'll notice about the Skoda Octavia RS is that gorgeous blacked out grille. Next, you'll see those unique DRLs that give the front fascia a splendid look. At the bottom, don't miss the honeycomb mesh design that adds to the look.
Now you'll notice that the Skoda Octavia RS gets these anthracite 19-inch alloys, and they also get these 19-inch radials, which are sporty radials.
Besides, there are beautiful crease lines, body-colored door handles and black ORVMs. At the rear is a thin lip spoiler, beautiful tail lamps and the Octavia RS badging. There's also 600 litres of boot space. Here's a look at the interiors of the Octavia RS.
You can see that the interior is a beautiful mix of suede as well as gorgeous leather.
The meaty steering with controls is great to grip, and lest I forget, those sporty pedals as well. The 13-inch touchscreen and the crisp dials give the Octavia RS a very upmarket feel.
Now what you get inside the Skoda Octavia RS are these fabulous racing seats up front for the driver as well as the co-passenger, and it comes with this fabulous red stitching which denotes sportiness. Next, these seats are electrically adjustable
For both the driver as well as the passenger.
Also, these seats come with a heating as well as a massage function. What else do you need on a sporty car like this?
But make no mistake, the rear is a comfortable place as well.
Just look at all that's on offer inside the Skoda Octavia RS. Little surprise that 100 units of the Skoda Octavia RS was snapped up in 20 minutes flat when it went on sale online. Now the Skoda Octavia RS gets a 2-litre TSI engine, and this is mated to a 7-speed DSG gearbox which belts out 265 PS of power as well as an insane 370 Nm of torque. Now in terms of safety, what you get is Skoda's latest full ADAS safety suite. Also, you get a 360-degree camera in here. Besides, there's also ISOFIX child seat mounts as well as driving stability systems. Now if you're in the market to get yourself something that is sporty as well as premium, you should definitely be looking at the Skoda Octavia RS.
Next, it was time to put the Octavia RS through the paces. And soon, we were off to do a few laps on the track. The idea obviously was to see what insane speeds the Octavia RS was capable of. And boy, what a thrilling experience it turned out to be. The first thing we noticed was the way those tires gripped the tarmac, and then the clean manner in which it tackled corners. Went flat out down the straight, braked ever so smoothly for the next corner, maintaining perfect speeds according to our inputs. Needless to say, going flat out at BIC in the Octavia RS was the best part. With some tight corners and then braking hard at the brake points, more fun was had. With the throttle planted on the straight, our driving instructor's tips further enhanced our driving pleasure, making driving the Octavia RS at BIC an even more intense and adrenaline-fueled experience. tires on the tarmac was sheer music to our ears. This gave us an idea about how quickly the Octavia RS could change directions. Here's a closer look. And that was the end of all the fun activities on the track.
Now, the Skoda Octavia RS also comes with a 4-year/100,000 kilometer warranty, whatever comes first. Besides, there's also a 4-year RSA or a roadside assistance program that's on offer. And finally, the Skoda Octavia RS can be yours for 49,99,000 ex-showroom only.